Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. If you're new to my channel, my name's Amanda, and today guys I have a Home Bargains haul for you. So I wasn't expecting to go into Home Bargains. We popped into Home Bargains yesterday. We was actually in a retail park having a look at sofas, and in the retail park they had a little Home Bargains close by, so we thought why not pop in there and pick up some essentials for the home. So that's what I've got to show you today. So I've got some foodie items, some cleaning products, and also some beauty skincare products as well. So if you'd like to see what I picked up, please keep watching. So I'm going to start with the cleaning products. I had a few items on my list to pick up. So I picked up this Lenore crease releaser. Now this product is absolutely amazing. I haven't actually tried this scent until this morning when I made my bed up and I sprayed it onto my bed covers. This is in the scent Ruby Jasmine and it smells absolutely gorgeous. So guys, if you're not familiar with Lenore crease releaser, this is a product that you can just, like, you know when you have your bed covers and you spread your bed and the cover's a little bit creased, you can just spray a little bit of this onto your bed covers, give it a little shake with your hands, you know, smoothing it out with your hands, and all the creases have disappeared. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I've also used it on my jeans because I don't really iron my jeans. So what I do, I just spray some of this on my jeans, hang them up, and all the creases have gone. You know, it's absolutely amazing products. I don't know what they're putting it to make it so amazing, but it does work, guys. I can vouch for that. It does work. So like I said, I haven't actually tried this scent before, the Ruby Jasmine, until this morning. I've got to tell you, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I absolutely love it. So this came in at £2.49 in Home Bargains. I thought that was quite good, you know, because this goes a long way as well. You only need to spray a little bit for it to work, and it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's my first item. So I also picked up a bottle of the Mrs. Hinch fabric freshener, one of my favorites actually from the Febreze range. This is in the scent Pink Tulips and White Jasmine. Again, it smells absolutely gorgeous. If you're not familiar with these fabric fresheners, this can be sprayed on your curtains, on your sofas if you have fabric sofas. I use it on my bedboard here because this is a fabric bedboard. Love spraying it on there once I've made my bed up, you know, to give the room a nice fresh smell. Also, you can spray it onto your clothes. Absolutely amazing product, and it does deodorize and refresh your home at the same time. So this came in at £2.49. Absolutely love this. And again, I always get this scent, which is the Pink Tulips and the White Jasmine. This one normally comes with the pink top on it. There's another one that I always get mixed up with this. I've actually worked out how I can actually do it, because this one has the pink and then the other one has red, you know, so I always go for this pink one, and it says all the best, love, Mrs. Hinch, a little sticker there, so that's quite nice as well. This is a 500ml bottle, and again it smells absolutely gorgeous, goes a long way as well. Love that. Okay, so that was £2.49. So again, in the cleaning products, I picked up one of my favorites, which is the blue toilet fresheners, and you get a pack of 3, and this is in the scent Fridding Tulip, and it's cold water. I don't know, they've got the cold water sign there, but again, this smells really lovely. I mean, I've just opened it up like that, and I've had it in the carrier bag from yesterday, and the whole room just smells really lovely. I'm really particular with the scents that I put onto the toilet. I used to buy a lot of lemon scents, but I've actually gone off of those for the toilet. But this one, which is the Fridding Tulip, smells absolutely gorgeous. So this actually doubles up as an air freshener as well. It's £2.99 for a pack of 3. So, you know, £1 each really. Quite good, I would say. So I also picked up 2 of these smoke alarm batteries. These are the Ready Cell ones. I haven't actually tried the Home Bargains own brand batteries before, but I thought, you know, these kind of batteries last so long, don't they, really? So I think any kind of battery would do for the smoke alarm, as long as they work. So yeah, this is a super alkaline, high performance, and it says long life as well. So £1.29 each. I thought I'd give those a try in the smoke alarm. So got those. So I also picked up this Tippy bottle brush. Now I haven't actually got like baby bottles to wash or anything like that. The reason why I've got this is to use for my glasses, like cups and so on, because I've got like this style glass, which I do absolutely love, but it's quite hard to even fit the Dishmatic brush down there, and I don't want to put my hands down there with a sponge, you know, for obvious reasons. So I picked up this bottle brush, Tippy bottle brush, and that came in at £1.99. You can find this in the baby section in Home Bargains if you're after a bottle brush. So I also picked up this candle. Now this smells absolutely stunning. It's in the scent Clean Linen, and it smells, oh my goodness, it smells lovely, guys. It smells like when you just washed your clothes, you know, and they're drying on the rack, or, you know, they've just come out of the tumble dryer. Not that I have a tumble dryer, but, you know, that nice, fresh, clean smell. This candle is by Whitford & Co. And this came in at £3.49 for this large size candle. So I picked one of those up as well. So I'm going to show you some of the beauty products that I picked up now. I picked up this Bath & Body Aqua Soft Bath Sponge. This is for my son, Oakley. We've actually been using these for him since he was like a baby, I would say, you know, and these are really gentle on the skin, you know, really gentle on the skin. 49p, you really can't go wrong. So yes, I've got that. I also picked up this Dead Sea Collection Coconut Moisturizing and Nourishing Body Oil. So I thought I'd give this a try. I have used a few of these products from Home Bargains, like their body scrub, the coconut body scrub. They didn't have any in when I went in yesterday, but I thought I'd just try the body oil, you know, the coconut oil. It smells really lovely. You know, it's got this pipette kind of style dripper on it, so you can just drip it onto your skin, put a couple of drops into the bath as well if you wanted to, you know, and also onto your feet. I really got this to put onto my feet because my feet have become really dry, you know, because the weather's been so damp. You know, my feet, I love having my feet out in the summer, and we haven't really had much of a summer, have we, to be fair with you? So yeah, I really just got this to use all over the body, but mainly on my feet. This came in at £1.99. It's in a nice glass amber bottle, and you get 120 mils there as well. Okay, so I've got that. I also picked up these. Now I haven't actually tried these before, but they just sounded absolutely amazing. Something that I think I can do with right now. Well, not right now, but you know, sometimes you can feel like overwhelmed and a little bit stressed. This product here is Vita Well Relax, De-Stress and Chill. You get 50 gummies in this nice jar, I would say, actually. Plastic jar, nice gold lid on it. It comes with ashwagandha, passion flower and lemon balm. And I know I've actually recognised the names of those. I know they are very good for like relaxation and calm and so on. So I thought I'd give those a try, you know, just to sort of like calm things down. You know, now that we are at the 6 weeks holiday and the weather hasn't been so great, a lot of our plans have been cancelled. So it's like looking for a plan B and like getting stressed and all of that. So I really do need these to sort of de-stress myself and really just chill out, really. You know, so if you guys have tried these, do let me know how you've got on with them. I'm definitely going to be giving these a try, and yeah, for £4.99 I think that was quite good for this kind of style product. You can go into Holland & Barrett and pay a lot more for something like this with the same ingredients. So yeah, give those a try. I'll let you know how I get on with them. So I also picked up 2 of these L'Oreal Men Expert Carbon Protect roll-ons. It's 5-in-1. That's for hubby. They smell absolutely gorgeous, you know. They smell really like sort of aftershavey. So yeah, we picked those up for hubby, 2 of those, and those were £1.49 each. And then just to the boring stuff, I picked up Aqua Fresh toothpaste for little Oakley. That's in the strawberry scent, and this is £1.29 for that. And I've also picked up this for me and hubby, Sensodyne Complete Protection. This came in at £3. Let me just double check. The toothpaste, this came in at £3.29 for the Sensodyne Complete Protection. Really love this toothpaste, actually. It's one of my favourites. Since I started using this about a year ago, I haven't looked back. It's absolutely amazing. So now I'm going to show you some of the food items. So first up, can't go to Home Bargains without picking up a couple of these for hubby for the Tessimo machine. This is the Costa Coffee Americano. Now these are the larger packets. A lot of the supermarkets are just selling the packs with the 12 in it. You can still get the large packet of these in Home Bargains, the 16 packs, and these are £4.29 for 16. So I picked up 2 packs of those for hubby. I also got these gorgeous crisps, these Boogles. They're called Boogles or Buggles. They're absolutely delicious. They're in a southern fried style barbecue taste, and these came in at £1.39. Now these are so Moorish, guys. Oh my goodness, they are so delicious. I nearly had half a pack while I was in the store walking around with the trolley, you know. So yeah, that's how nice they are, guys. Once you open them, you want to finish them all. They're really, really delicious. I'm gonna open them now actually and just show you what they look like. They're like little cones like that. Oakley calls them shark teeth. You know, they do look a bit like shark teeth. But yeah, they are so delicious. I'm not gonna have one now because I'm just gonna end up ruining this video by scoffing myself with these crisps. They're absolutely delicious though. Put those down. I also picked up this large pack of Doritos. Oakley absolutely loves Doritos. He's not so keen on those shark teeth ones, those ones I just showed you. This is a large packet of Doritos, the chili hot wave flavour, in 180 grams. This came in, I'm just looking at my prices here, Doritos. So this came in at £1.99 for this large packet of Doritos. And as you can see, we've already dived into this already, well, little Oakley has already. £1.99 for that large packet there. They had these bottles of water, spring water, Harrogate spring water, original Harrogate, British Spa Town water. Now guys, I couldn't believe how much these were. These were just 49p for 750ml glass bottle spring water. Now the bottle is absolutely gorgeous as well, guys. That's also the reason why I got it. 49p, you can just top this up, you know, and have it in your fridge as a nice water bottle. You know, 49p for that size. So I also picked up a couple of these smaller ones. These were 29p. And what size is this? This is 330ml. 29p sparkling water, guys. Home Bargains. These can look really lovely on displayed on the table. A slice of lemon inside. Absolutely gorgeous bottles and amazing prices as well. 49p, 29p. Wow. Guys, that was my last item from today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I'd like to say thank you to all of you that have recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you. Take care, keep well, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.